Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. The topic we're going to study today is Introduction to Algebraic Expressions and Equations, their definitions and examples. Now before I can proceed with the video, I would request you to kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done yet. Please do not forget to press the bell icon. Besides that, you're going to find a few links. Make sure you're going to join the Telegram group because that's the place where you're going to get all the updates. So let's move ahead and get to know all about the algebraic expressions and equations. So what is an algebraic expression? So the definition is an algebraic expression is a combination of numbers, variables, that is letters, and arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So here an example of the same. So here this is an expression 3x plus 2 wherein 2 you can see our numbers highlighted with red. X is a variable over here which are letters basically, and the addition sign is the arithmetic operation. Similarly over here you can see a combination of number, variable, arithmetic expression operation basically. So all over here you can see numbers are your red, your variables in blue, and your operations in green. So it can have multiple what you call them variables, multiple numbers and multiple arithmetic operations. So this is how a normal algebraic expression would look like. So what is an equation? Basically an equation states that the two expressions are equal and uses an equal to sign. So let's check out an example over here. So you can see over here the first example 2x plus 3. So this is an expression what you have seen. So 2x plus 3 is equal to 7. So it uses an equation sign in between. 4y minus 5 is 11, 3a plus 2b is 6, m square plus 4n is equal to 10. Now expression with a single variable. So an algebraic expression that contains only one variable. So what is a variable? We've already seen basically letters over here. So example you can say 4y minus 5, so there is one variable over here. 7x square plus 3, again there is one variable over here. 2t plus 6, t is the variable over here. 9z minus a, z is the variable over here. So expressions with more than one variables. So an algebraic expression that contains two or more variables. So examples over here 3x plus 4y, here x and y are variables. You have 2a plus 3b plus 5 wherein a and b are your variables. You have 5m square plus 6n minus 1 wherein m square and n are your variables, and you have p plus q minus r wherein p, q and r are your variables. The linear expression. So what is a linear expression? A linear expression is an algebraic expression in which the highest power of the variable is 1. So let's check out examples over here. So 5x plus 2, x the power over here is 1. Anything raised to 0 is 1, you know. Then examples over here is 2y minus 3, here 4z plus 7. So everything is limited to 1 over here. X raised to, it is basically x raised to 1, y raised to 1, z raised to 1 over here, and a raised to 1, b raised to 1. So you can see all these expressions are having a variable with the power as 1. Now non-linear expression over here. A non-linear expression is an algebraic expression where the highest power of the variable is greater than 1 or the expression involves products of variables. So example over here you can see x square plus 1, here the power of the variable is 2 which is more than 1, so it is called a non-linear expression. Here you have 3xy plus 2x square, again the power of the variable is 2. You have another example 6a square minus b, the power is 2 over here. Or you have p square minus q3 minus r, and here you can see the powers are more than 1 which is 2 and 3 over here. So these are called non-linear expressions. Now let's solve a few equations with variables on both sides. The first way you're going to use is the reducing equations to simpler form. So solving equations, there are two ways to basically do solving equation with the variables on both sides. One is to go about reducing to the simple form, also another inverse way. So these are equations. Solve the equation 2x plus 3 is equal to x plus 7. So what you're going to do is step-by-step solution. First step is we subtract x from both sides. So you can see x over here. So you're going to subtract x from both sides. So you'll have 2x plus 3 minus x is equals to x plus 7 minus x. Then what you do is you simplify this. It simplifies to 2x minus x would be x, and this x and x will cancel itself over here, and then the RHS will have 7, and on the LHS will have 2x plus x plus 3. So definitely when you know this x plus 3, that means x is 7 minus 3, which is 4. Then subtracting the, okay, I'm sorry, over here we are still solving this. I moved on to the transport method, which I'm going to explain again over here. So x plus 3 is 7. So the next step is you subtract 3 from both sides. So x plus 3 minus 3 is 7 minus 3. So you're going to get x is equals to 4 over here. So final answer is x is 4. So this is called the reducing to simple form. Now let's check the same example with the transpose method. So typically when you solve equations, you use the transpose method because that is what is used. It's faster, it's quicker, and it is easier. So what is the steps to go about it? To solve the equations with variables on both sides, follow these steps. Move all terms with variables to one side of the equation. Then you move all the constants to the other side and simplify and solve the variable. So solving the same equation again over here, 2x plus 3 is equals to x plus 7. So what you need to do, you need to move all the variables on one side, the constants or the numbers on the other side, and simplify it. So what we are going to do is we are going to move all the equations towards 1. So when this x moves over here at the opposite end, LHS to RHS or RHS to LHS, the sign will change. This is the transpose method. So this will become negative x and plus 3 will become negative 3 over here. When you simplify it further, you can see 2x minus x is x and 7 minus 3 is 4. So you can see in just 3 simple steps we could solve it out. Unlike the previous case, let's go back. You can see so many steps we had to do. Let's check out another solution over here. Reducing method first again. Solve the equation 5x plus 3 minus 2x is equals to 10. So we first combine like term over here. So 5x minus 2x plus 3 is 10. So you simplify it to 3x plus 3 is equals to 10. Subtracting 3 from both sides. So what you're going to do is you're going to subtract 3 from both sides. So you'll have 3x plus 3 minus 3 is equals to 10 minus 3. Then 3 and 3 will cancel over here and it will simplify to 7. Then you divide on both sides by 3. So 3x upon 3 would be equal to 7 upon 3. So you're going to get x is equals to 7 upon 3. Now let's do the same with the transpose method. So same equation we are going to pick up over here. Solve the equation 5x plus 3 minus 2x is equals to 10. So what is the transpose method? You put all the variables on one side, you put all the constants and the numbers on the other side, and go about solving this problem. So what's going to happen? You will have the LHS same over here, the variables on the left, and this is going to go on the right hand side. So you have 5x minus 2x is 10 minus 3. So you have 3x is equals to, this should be 3x over here, sorry, 3x is equals to 7 and x is equals to 7 upon 3. So this is all about the introduction. Now following this, you can see in the playlist you're going to get all the exercises solved over here. So I am using the 2024 edition. So if you're trying to search for an old the exercise numbers won't match, so just make sure that when you're checking with the updated version of the NCERT Maths 2024 textbook. So do like this video, do share this video across, and if you have any queries, do let me know your feedback in the comment section. Until the next video, take care and be safe.